Meaning of diglossia.
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 Diglossia. Diglossia refers to a linguistic situation in which two distinct varieties of a language coexist within a community. One variety, typically a formal high-prestige language, is used in formal contexts such as education, media, and government, while the other, often a vernacular low-prestige language, is used in everyday settings. This phenomenon can result in a complex social hierarchy where access to power and opportunities are linked to language proficiency. Diglossia can also impact language maintenance and endangerment, as the low-prestige variety may be stigmatized and eventually marginalized.